Hey family, this is Food and Life with JT. Here we share simple food, real stories, and life lessons you can actually feel. Let's get into it. In this video, I'll be cooking steamed vegetable along with dumpling and some ground provision, dasheen, and Irish potatoes. The vegetables are cabbage, string beans, and carrots, along with seafood, saltfish. I begin by washing the cabbage, then chopping it on the cutting board, after which I will wash and peel the carrots. Then I will do the string beans. Meanwhile, I'm chopping all the vegetables up. The pot with the saltfish is already boiling along with the food and the dumpling, the dashing, the Irish potatoes. Here are some health benefits of cabbage. Cabbage supports heart health. Did you know that cabbage is high in fiber and low in calories? Did you know that cabbage helps to fight against cancer? Yes, according to research, it contains glucinolates and phytochemicals that helps to fight against cancer or protect against cancer cells. It also aids with weight loss since it is low in calories and high in fiber. It also helps to reduce inflammation. It's packed with antioxidants, and it's a great source to help boost your immune system. Excellent source of vitamin C, as I mentioned before, and a powerful antioxidant that support immune function that helps to fight against infection. So people consume a cabbage. Cabbage is a powerhouse, and it also helps to improve digestion. I have finished cutting up the vegetables. I am gonna pick the saltfish or wash the saltfish and debone it. But first, I remove it from the pot that it was boiling and pour some cold water on it and then clean it up, debone it, strip it. Next up, I'll put on my pot with some butter and saute some vegetables, some seasoning such as onion, green scallion, garlic, along with the saltfish before I add the vegetables. Did you know that carrots are good for eye health? Carrots also aid in digestion. It is also a good immune system support, similar to the cabbage. It also support the heart. Also, potassium helps to manage the blood pressure, and it is packed with potassium, antioxidant, and fiber. It is fibrous. Did you know that carrot, as sweet as it is, it can help to control your blood sugar level? It also helps with weight loss since it is low in calories, and it is a good support for your skin and hair. Antioxidant and vitamin A are good support for hair and skin, and carrot carries these vitamins. Overall, carrot is a nutritional powerhouse. Cook it, eat it raw, eat it in salad, make juices with it. It is delicious and healthy for the body. At this point, I'll be sauteing the onion, this green scallion, the garlic, and frying up the saltfish with the butter. And I will be adding the vegetables. After adding the vegetables, I will add my powder seasoning. The seasoning that I use are all purpose, Maggi all purpose to be precise, black pepper, a little pinch of salt, and a small amount of complete body seasoning. You don't need to over season your vegetables. You want to have that real vegetable taste and not that seasoning, a lot of seasoning that will take away its natural flavors. You want just to have a great taste. While the vegetable and saltfish is cooking, the ground provision and dumplings, it is finished cooking. So I normally remove it from the water. I don't want the water to soak, or rather the food to soak up into the water. I think it is more delicious when after cooking you remove it from the water and put it into a container, cover it, and put it aside until you're ready to share. After the vegetables have steamed, I will share or dish out the food and the vegetables. I want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video and steam your veggies for about 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, you don't want to overcook the vegetables. Heat kill nutrients, so do not overcook.